Well, welcome back, guys. We finally got into some ducks. It's been kind of sparse around here, but we got a big cold front that lasted about a week and a half, 2 weeks. If you guys around North Carolina know, so they pushed a bunch of birds down. We been on a few goose hunts. I haven't filmed, but the feeding time of these geese, they've lasted a lot longer than it usually has, so we were able to go find some feeds that were late and coming into duck season. So opening day of duck season, we were in a goose field somewhere, but we decided to go out to the coast this weekend and it turned out pretty good. We were in a spot where I had a bunch of puddlers and divers mix. Shot a bunch of teal, some buffleheads, and seen some couple good groups of bigger divers, mainly bluebills and stuff like that are working their way in, and some big ducks. But we're hoping it's a good sign of a turnout of a good season. But other than that, yeah, we got on them finally. We had 2 boats, 2 separate groups. Both those had 3 in each boat, and we shot about 20 birds. So we can't complain. Mid-November in North Carolina, it's gonna be like that. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this. Trying to figure out better ways for y'all to see these birds. I know the GoPro doesn't do much, but anyways, enough of that. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and maybe it'll kick off the season to a good start. See y'all. Oh God, them going fast. They were rolling.
Yeah.
Can I come in?
Yeah, you got groups of birds working to the right, so you stay.
Yeah, I see.
Birds working over there. You got one working right to left. You got 2 groups working left to right.
There's a solo out front. I just seen him go down to the water height.
I see him.
He's headed this way. Where'd he go? I think he's dead.
Here, hold my gun, I'll go get him. Yeah.
That's chasing him.
These 2 right here.
Teal.
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 As a fly behind us. And they land and come back in.
Look, there's a cripple way out there. There's 2 cripples out there.
Where?
Out there. One just landed down.
You ain't better get him.
There's 2 cripples across this. They were kept going.
I won't take any chance.
We got to go. If you want to get them, we got to go now. Because there's 2 cripples over there on the bank.
That one just got up and flew off.
It did?
Yeah, he's flying right.
Oh, he's landing right there. There's another one over there.
Oh, that one in the center is dead.
Yeah, I got that on the shot cam. Come on down. Oh, right here. Kill him again. We just shot all 4 of them, boys. Where'd that? Okay, we got.
There's 2 over here, one in.
There's 3.
One right beside the mojo.
There's 3. I think they were teal as well.
Yeah. He's moving still.
Alright, we need to all get out and get him. You just lay right here, because I got to get out and get him. He's still moving. Corey, hold your ears.
He done now.
Yeah, boy. Boy, they banked in hard, didn't they?
What? Over the divers. I could be wrong though.
I don't see him.
Look straight up. You see it? There's 4 of them.
Yeah, I see him. They're ducks. They might not get low enough.
There's 5 on it. One trailing behind me.
They go keep on going. What? Fell down.
He's dead. Oh, we ain't got a last one. I ain't getting you.
I'll get him. I shot him. Corey, you keep cooking, buddy, bro.
I ain't even started. I'm batty, bro.
I only had 2 shells in my gun.
But don't worry, baby. I'm fixing to start so they smell it.